leaving the warmth of the womb and landing on ice is the sharpest drop in temperature any animal ever faces. But her pup can't swim for the first 10 days of its life. It's trapped here, out on the ice. She shields her pup from the wind. Although it's spring, temperatures can drop to minus 40 degrees Celsius. And 3 days on, and the storm is still raging. She now faces the hardest of decisions. Does she stay with her pup or shelter in the water? Now, her pup's best chance of survival is for the storm to pass quickly. If this pup now joins its mother in the water, it will be safe from any future storm. It's minus 2 degrees Celsius, but being in water is warmer than lying on the ice in the howling wind.